Hey guys, today I'm in Laguna Beach and I'm actually in Heisler Park and I'm excited to show you guys around. I've done a beach video like this before where I visited Oceanside and also Pacific Beach, so if you want to check those out, I'll have it linked in the description below. But yeah, let's cruise around and let's see what we can see. But I'm excited to show you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up after you're done watching it. So I just parked here and I paid $2.50 for an hour's worth of parking. It takes credit cards and coins as well, and you can also pay with the app, but I just paid with a credit card. It's a lot easier. But over here, they have some beautiful flowers. Like, look at all these amazing flowers. There's yellow, pink, purple. This one is like the most perfect flower here. Look how beautiful that is. And all the palm trees too. Wow, I wonder how old these palm trees are. This is absolute paradise. Wow, this makes me fall in love with California. It says California Coastal Trail. Look at this cool lookout. You can see the ocean around you. In La Jolla, they also have these little lookout points. Now we're heading down to the beach. I'm gonna walk along the shore here. Look how beautiful these waves are. What I love about here is how it's so tropical. There's a lot of greenery and there's houses on the hills. So this is Bird Rock Beach and let's go check it out. After you get done playing in the ocean, they do have these little showers here to rinse off. It's a beautiful 70-degree California day. It looks absolutely perfect outside. And yeah, we're gonna check out these tide pools over here. There's the lookout over there that I just showed you guys. It overlooks here, the tide pools. And it looks like we're getting close to it. Here in California, the marine life is protected. It says absolutely no collecting, so just respect the marine life. So funny enough, today I'm wearing a Hawaii shirt, and this absolutely looks like Hawaii. Check this out, guys. There's some snails, and there's some little fish in here, in these tide pools. Look at all these rock formations. It reminds me of when I would hike in Arizona. I see all kinds of orange rock there. But this is not the desert, this is the ocean. It's exciting to be here because every time I come to the beach, I always see something new. And I plan on making more videos of me traveling to different destinations in the future. A place I'd really like to travel to is Yosemite. The nature there is outstanding, and I know camping there, it's really competitive because it gets booked so fast. But I think that would make a really cool video for you guys. Comment down below if you'd like to see that. There's a crystal formation in this rock. I used to attend the Tucson Gem Show, and this takes me back to when I would go to the show and I'd see all varieties of crystals. My favorite crystal was amethyst. It's actually my birthstone. Looks like people are having fun. They're playing some football. I'm just walking on the side of the beach. Wow, imagine being able to live up here and get a beautiful view of the ocean. I'd want to live up there. Now I'm heading back and I'm just going to go up to the top where the park is. And maybe we'll see something really interesting up there. But what I love about coming to the beach is you always see new faces and new places. So yeah, we were just there where the tide pools are and I just walked up the steps. Right now I'm just heading up to the top. Look at this view right here. I love all the nature and all the beauty there is here to see. Here in Laguna Beach, they also have marine mammals. Looks like they have Pacific harbor seals, northern elephant seals, just seals, sea lions, and walruses in general. Also, they have Pacific white-sided dolphin, Pacific bottlenose dolphin, and common dolphin as well. So there's a lot you can see here. You can play basketball here, right by the ocean. So in front of me, I see there's a rose garden. I know I listen to a lot of rock and roll. You guys probably think that I'm like really tough, but I do like girly things too, like roses and flowers and stuff. And here's Heisler Park, which is a part of Laguna Beach. This guy's just playing the guitar, looking out at the ocean. Wow. It's a good place to practice right here. Wow, it looks like a mosaic art piece right here. Wow, it's stunning. As I look at this, there's something different. See, there's like crabs, koi fish, lobsters. By my car, looks like there's this awesome red Corvette. This is my dream car right here. Is to get a Corvette, but all blacked out. Wow, look at this. Nice. I hope you guys had a good time with me. I do YouTube shorts on this channel. If you're into bands, musicians, I use a lot of different music for each YouTube short. So if you want to check that out, I'll have some tagged in the description below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you really liked it, share it with a friend. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.